Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to download and install the Lemonade Insurance app. So let's get started. So to do that you have to first open your Google Play Store, or you can open your Apple Store if you're Apple user. So here I am using the Google browser, okay, as a search app. So I have to click on here and search on here Lemonade Insurance app, okay. And at here I can see it, Lemonade Contacts Insurance app. Okay, so I will just click on here, then I will just open here Lemonade Inc. Okay, so here I can see the Lemonade Insurance. Okay, just click on here. So to download and install you have to click on the install button, and from here you can install it. So if you scroll down you can see for the review section also, okay. And if you more scroll down, then here you can see the app support from here, okay. And by this way you can just download it and install it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.